Welcome to CityView 1K. This is a first floor studio in our CityView building. The kitchen is equipped with a dishwasher, electric oven and stove, microwave, and refrigerator. The living area is furnished with a desk and desk chair, dresser, full-size bed, and a bookcase. This apartment has an in-window air conditioner and an in-wall heater. This apartment also has a buzzer, so you can let your friends in. The bathroom in this apartment features a combination bathtub and shower, as well as a medicine cabinet to store your things. Rent for this apartment includes heat, water, and trash removal. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to this tour of CityView 1K.